Hi Alejandro, I'm so excited. Today is a special day because in my mother's birthday. Hi, that's great. I'm excited too. We are organizing a big party for her, right? Yes, but it is busy day. Usually it get up at 7 a.m. and I go to the gym, but today is different. I know what you mean. Oh, a normal day. I work from Monday to Friday, but today I am not working. I am decorating the living room right now. Are you buying to food? No, I'm not. I am making a chocolate cake. I'm the kitchen and I'm also crying our relatives. What is your sister doing? Does she usually help with the parties? Yes, she does. She usually buys the drinks, but at the moment, she is buying some beautiful flowers and a big gift. Perfect. Are the questions arriving at 8 p.m.? Yes, they are. Usually, we eat dinner at 7 p.m., but today we are waiting from the surprise party. I I am a bit nervous. I am not wearing my party clothes just because I'm cooking. Are you wearing your new Jake? No, I am not. I'm still in my old clothes because I'm cleaning the house. But don't worry, everything is going to be perfect. Great, let's continue. We need to have everything ready.